In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile name in Microsoft Teams. Changing your name in Teams is actually done through your Microsoft account, and once you update it there, it will sync across to Teams. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Microsoft Teams in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the account whose name you want to change. Once Teams has loaded, look at the upper right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your initials or a small photo, depending on what you've set up before. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open a small menu. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says My Microsoft Account. This is important because your profile name in Teams is pulled directly from your Microsoft account details. Click on My Microsoft Account, and it will open a new tab in your browser, taking you to the main account dashboard. On the Microsoft account page, you'll see several sections and options related to your subscription, security, and personal details. At the top of the page or near the main navigation, look for the option labeled Your Info. This is where your personal profile details are stored. Click on Your Info to open your profile information page. Once you're on the Your Info page, scroll down until you find the section that shows your name. Next to your name, you should see a link or button that says Edit Name. This is the control you'll use to change how your name appears across Microsoft services, including Teams. Click on Edit Name. A form will appear where you can update your first name and last name. Carefully type in the new name you want to use. Take a moment to double check spelling and capitalization, especially if this is for work or school, since this is how your name will appear to others in meetings and chats. When you're happy with the changes, confirm and save the new name. After saving, give it a little time for the change to sync. You can go back to Teams and refresh the page. Your updated name should now show up in your profile and be visible to other people in Microsoft